So guys, it's Luke Loves Aviation back. Not to speak loud, ha ha ha. We're airplane spawning at Fort Lauderdale, updated. We have one runway, not two, one. We have, you cannot even see, let me show you. We have UPS 747, we have Air Force One, we have FedEx 737 Spirit. We have an A380 all the way back. And 787 737 A320 Neo 737. Oh look, I'm bringing this to Florida. Look at this for 4th of July. We have the 737. Then we have A320 Neo Spirit, and then Spirit A320-200. So, wind direction heading towards you guys. We have crosswind. So taking off, have some crosswind takeoff. So there's like a park over here, down here, and you can barely see it. The pencil is where the fence marking is. If you're wondering, you can see the table. Now we have the A380 taking off. This is going to Dubai. It's a long flight. Almost across the whole world. You can barely see, well, you guys can. I can't because I'm so far away from the camera. Okay, just pretend there's some other A380 coming in. There's another A380 coming in from Dubai. Oh my God. Moonwalking. Okay, some real reason the wind direction is going literally heading 100. Literally one, so airplanes have the, so switching, you guys are gonna see some takeoffs. You have a 777 getting pushed back. So, get that in the way. We have a Spirit taking off, going to strange direction. We're going to FLL to EWR. Landing from Dallas. Let's go around. We've even touched ground now. Okay, now it's going descending now again. Going to back to London. Ooh, a little bouncy. Okay, you can see American 777 is coming in from Vienna. Vienna Airport. The front gear is finally rollable. It's really cool. Finally. Once in a freaking lifetime. That's the only airplane I have that has the front rolling landing gear. Every airplane, the rest of the airplanes just has the back wheels rolling. We need the front wheel rolling. Whoa. These stupid R's. Jesus. This is fun. Like airplane spotting at the coffee table airport. The carpet airport's not set it up. I'm going to set it up. It takes a while. It takes like a minute. I just don't want to set it up. I brought these to my grandma's house earlier. I was landing them. Like all of them was landings. I need takeoffs. There's like barely any takeoffs at this airport. They're all landings. It's always crooked. There was the FedEx 737 getting pushed back. You can literally see it. Now it's taxiing. Engines are on. Pretend there was a taxi right here. Holy cheese, this is heavy. Oh, I forgot to tell you where it's going. It's going to California. This is California. We have the Air Force One getting pushed back. Jesus. We don't know where this guy's going. He might go to Edwards Air Force Base, but on tracker it says Fort Lauderdale not available. We have the 787 getting pushed back. I want to go airplane spotting now in real life. You can see it. I just can't. It's turning. I think it's going to Brazil. Let me check. Yeah, it's going to FLL to Brazil. Brazil, 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 Brazil. Yeah, if 787 landing from Spain. I think it's the 787 I went on to go to Spain. I went to Spain on 787. I think business class. It was really luxury. Lay down seats. It wasn't broken. The windows were finally getting tinted. I love that. We have a little iPad on the seat thing. Pretty cool. I was watching some stuff. I forgot. Dinner was good. And then after that, we flew Ryanair to Vienna. And then we had to go to a wedding. That was fun. That was a lot of fun. That was a lot of fun. Okay, we finally have a spirit taxiing to go take off. Okay, that's it for today's video. Subscribe and like, please. Last landing of the day. Spirit. Oh, that was bottle actually. Plus his landing for Spirit. Let me place my influence back in the altar. Let's get like blanket. I sleep on the couch. I love sleeping on the couch. Just in my blanket though. And that's it for tonight. Subscribe. I already told you. Goodbye. Yeah.